Good morning, guys. I just woke up from my foamy otheca, an egg-casing lair. I've been asleep for 10 to 30 days. Now I'm ready to explore the world.
Over the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'll molt, and I'll molt 5 times, each time getting bigger and stronger. It's like leveling up in a video game. Each time I molt, I get stronger and closer to adulthood.
When there aren't many of us around, I tend to stick by myself. I stay solitary. I like to hide in brown and green grass so I can hide from those big, scary predators. When they see me, I fly in short bursts to escape them. I take my time growing and hiding. Remember, safety first.
But when heavy rains brings lots of plants and more locusts, things get wild. Suddenly, I'm crowded with other nymphs. I get super excited when I see my friends. My brain releases serotonin, my colors pop to yellow and black, and boom! I'm now a gregarious nymph. I move faster, eat more, and start participating in swarm life. Way cooler than those solitary nymphs.
Fast forward a few weeks, and I'm now an adult. I finally made it. If I'm still solitary, I'm still likely to be by myself. I still hide most of the time, feeding carefully and resting. I take longer to reproduce, but over my lifetime, I can lay more eggs than those gregarious locusts. Slow and steady wins the race.
Meanwhile, we gregarious adults are nonstop action, flying hundreds of miles, feeding constantly, and reproducing as fast as we can. Even though each batch of eggs I lay has fewer, our swarms grow super quickly because of our sheer number.
By night, solitary adults find a safe spot to rest. Gregarious adults might settle briefly, but many of us keep moving, searching for food and perfect spots to lay eggs. Swarm life is busy and can get a little crazy.
Our behavior, colors, and energy levels shift depending on how many locusts are around. Think of it like a light switch. When there aren't many of us around, we are in solitary mode. And then when there is a lot of us, we flip to gregarious mode. This flexibility allows us to survive alone and thrive in massive swarms.
And the coolest part, if things calm down, we can slowly switch back from gregarious to solitary over generations.
So guys, that's a full life, from egg to nymph to adult life. But we're not done yet. We still gotta eat food to survive.
Now that you know how we grow up and shift between solitary and gregarious models, let's talk about where we live. We love finding places with lots of humidity and moisture. We're most commonly found in Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe.
But don't think we're picky. If an area lacks rainfall, then we look for grasslands to adapt and survive.
But when big rains return, that's when the party starts again. Plants explode with growth and populations start booming. And at this point, me and my friends go all over to search anything that we can eat.
We're genderless herbivores, which means anything green goes in our bodies.
And when things go bad, we've been known to start eating each other as a last resort. You gotta do what you gotta do in nature.
To make the most of the water we find, we'll migrate to areas with leafy, water-holding plants, which is how we get the name migratory locusts.
That's how we stay adaptable and ready for everything. Our environment fuels our behavior, and our diet fuels our strength. Our greatest attribute is our ability to work together in large groups.
Thanks for joining us on the behind the scenes of a migratory locust.
Our diet fuels our
Over the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'll molt 5 times. Each time,
If you a migratory locust, this is for you.
That was not the line.